If you're often overwhelmed by all those charging cables on your desk, then the Baseus 5-in-1 desktop charger I'm going to share with you today may save your desk from a clutter and improve charging efficiency. As a digital nomad, the unboxing has led me to a number of new discoveries and has made me revisit desk charging solutions. Below, I will talk about the key features of this product and the performance in real world. The packaging is very simple and practical. In the box, there's a quick start manual, a 1.5 meters AC cable, and the desktop charger itself. The design is very modern and functional. First of all, it has a simple and practical design with a black color scheme and clean lines, giving it a high-end look. Secondly, the charger has many ports, including USB-A and USB-C ports. In addition, there's a display on the front that shows the charging status or other information. The charger also provides a Qi2 wireless charging. The charger is made of a high-quality plastic with a delicate and smooth surface that is comfortable to the touch and has excellent resistance to scratches and stains. The retractable cable with a total length of 80 centimeters can be stretched 10,000 times according to Baseus. It can also be neatly hidden inside the charger, keeping the desk tidy and organized at all times. The edges of the charger are rounded without sharp corners, which are visually softer and won't scratch your hand when you touch it. This 5-in-1 charger supports Qi2 15-watt wireless charging and 140-watt PD 3.1 USB-C fast charging. From regular smartphones to laptops, it can basically charge all of them fast. And there's a friendly detail for the wireless charging pad. It can be stretched upwards so it can firmly hold large phones in a good position, like iPhone Pro Max or Samsung Ultra phones. For example, this MacBook Air in my hand, it can recognize that the C1 and C2 ports can output 100 watts to meet the fast charging needs. In actual use, when charging an iPhone, the speed is indeed much faster than ordinary chargers, but when charging a MacBook, although it can recognize that it can take 100 watts, but the real charging power is limited to 65 watts or so. The charging speed improvement is not practically obvious. The Qi2 15-watt wireless charger is compatible with MagSafe, so it can charge iPhone, AirPods, and other devices with a magnet. Just gently put it on and it will start charging. If you use Android, most of them don't support this feature, but with a case that does support it, you can enjoy wireless charging at will. For wired charging, the Baseus 5-in-1 has 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, a retractable 100-watt cable, and a wireless charger that supports MagSafe, so you can charge up to 5 devices at once, so it can support Apple ecosystem very well. The whole unit can output up to 140 watts. If only for one device, you can use the C3 port to reach that peak power. But here, we found a strange thing. On the user manual, it says the power output on the 3 C ports are a bit weak, but in our test, all 3 C ports can reach 100 watts. Except for C3, which we didn't have a device to test. The LCD screen on the right side displays the current charging power in real time, so you can see the progress at a glance. Meanwhile, there's a foldable magnetic stand. Whether watching a movie, scrolling, or making video calls, you can find the most comfortable viewing angle, which is great for daily use. If you use it in the office, it will definitely save a lot of space for you and make your desk organized. However, office tends to be quiet. Sometimes you might worry about the noise this charger makes, but actually the noise is very small, almost negligible. When traveling, just take this one with you and you can easily charge all your devices. In the hotel room, it sits securely on the table, charging your devices at any time. However, while traveling, sometimes I worry about the stability of the charger. In actual use, the bottom design is relatively solid and stable on most flat surfaces. If you are a desktop PC user and need more outlets, you can consider the Baseus 8-in-1 charger. Like the 5-in-1 charger, it has 3 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and a Qi2 15-watt MagSafe wireless charging pad. On top of that, the 8-in-1 charger also has 3 AC outlets, which can power or charge more devices. However, the power of its USB-C port is 67 watts, making it more suitable for use in various fixed locations. After using it for a while, I found that the Baseus 5-in-1 desktop charger has brought me a lot of convenience. It is small, lightweight, making it easy to carry. It is also black colored, simple and practical, suitable for all kinds of environments. Its charging performance is strong, which can improve the charge efficiency a lot. It can charge multiple devices perfectly. It can save you in daily life. The real performance does not stay on the paper. It really adds a lot of convenience to my life. If you also struggled with multi-device charging, I'd recommend you to try the Baseus 5-in-1 desktop charger. A link here for you to know more. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.